Hello, peeps. This is Carla from the Learn English by Speaking English show, and we are working on teaching you how to use Streamyard for an English show. It's so very easy. Streamyard has its pros. First of all, if you buy the program that allows you to share out to 5 different pages, all you have to do is set up your program to do that initially. Let's go back a few steps. First, when you open up Streamyard, buy the program you want to use. Then come back and you'll see a page called 2 things. You'll see destinations and you will see broadcast. First, you select your destination. You can make the destination anything you want on Facebook. You can make your destination YouTube. You can make it whatever you want it to be. I have a program that allows me to stream to 2 different spots at one time. After you have your destination done, your destinations, and you've given permission to your Facebook for Streamyard to post there, it's time to do your broadcast. Click on broadcast. And the first thing that you do is you select your destinations for where you want to broadcast. After you do that, you enter the broadcast studio. You make sure your mic is working. You make sure your camera is working, you look beautiful or you look handsome, and you go forward. And at that point, if you have someone coming in to be a co-host, you bring that person in first before you go live, unless they come after you're live. Then you have no choice. And you click on the go live button, which is orange, and now you click on it twice. And you go live and you introduce yourself. You introduce the people who come and you speak to them in English. And it's quite nice. And anyone can do it. Very easy. The only thing is you will need to type the program name in the caption after you go live on Streamyard, or no one will know what show you're doing. And with that, we know how to use Streamyard now, and we are going to go on to the next lesson, which is how to set up a time for the show. And with that, see you soon.